How to watch Premier League live on laptop. So if you want to watch the Premier League live, then first you need to open up your Sky Sports. So open up a browser and then you can simply go for your search and then search for Sky Sports. And once you've searched here, you can simply go for the www.skysports.com, which is on the first search. And here you can simply scroll down, and here you will have all of your sports, right? So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to watch any one of your sports, then click on watch Sky Sports, and here you will have all of your sports. So if you want to watch the live or Premier League live, then what you can do is you need to take the subscription. So without taking the subscription or without taking the premium, you won't be able to watch Sky Sports or the Premier League live. So go for Get Sky Sports, which is on the upper right. And from here, you can simply take the subscription or you can take the premium version. And once you've taken that, now you can watch the Premier League live on your laptop. So that's the only way to watch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.